All right. So the microphone kind of messed up on this video, which means after we're back, we have to do a voiceover. But this is a cabin in 2021 at Fort Wilderness. So we're going to do a little tour. We had a 2 night stay here at Fort Wilderness. First thing you notice, pretty nice porch. You got a charcoal grill. You've got a picnic table that can seat comfortably 7 or 8 people. And like I said, the charcoal grill, hose over there in case you need to rinse some stuff off, clean the porch, whatever. But the porch is actually a pretty nice size. You can have lunch, dinner, cook out there. You got to bring your own charcoal or buy some from the general store. There are 2 entrances and exits, one to the bedroom, which is that door, and then one to the main living area. So let's step inside, and really nice finishes in here. Very nice aesthetic, very woodland, woodsy feeling, which is what you get from these cabins. So this was during the enhanced cleaning time at the height of COVID. Earlier this year in March is when this stay was. And so that's sort of explaining to you what they do in here. It was fairly clean. I'm pretty sure they still do this at the time, even though masks and things are going away. I think they still do this cleaning, but they do have enhanced cleaning measures. And they do not have like a maid service or a housekeeping service. You have to clean yourself every day. Here's the kitchen. You've got a two eye stove top. This microwave also acts as an oven, so you have both a microwave and an oven. So you do have a stove and an oven here. A dishwasher, which was nice. We used that quite a bit this weekend. A 4-slice toaster. You've got a fridge, freezer combo, full size. No water, but the ice maker does work. We did test it out, so ice maker works as well. So a full service kitchen. You have a coffee maker as well. That's some concept art that's hanging on the wall there. Head into the living room. You've got a couch that pulls out into a bed that can comfortably sleep 2 people. I believe it's either full or queen size. I can't remember, but it does comfortably sleep 2 adults. You got that really comfy chair you sink in. And then also point out Joffrey's coffee in the cabin. Then you've got this kind of dining room table. We use that as kind of a game table. If you want to eat inside, we ate there. We made Ronto wraps in an earlier video. You've got this nice flat screen TV. That's playing all the resort TV. That is a little extra storage. That door does not open, but that does some extra storage there. It's nice little. This can kind of double up as the second bedroom. You've got some storage, some drawers for like other clothes, and some counter space. So if whoever's staying out here can kind of turn this into a kind of a second bedroom. They also have extra pillows and blankets in there. And then the typical Disney resort phone and brochures. Nice little view of the other cabins out there. But it's very spacious, I will say, for really 1 bedroom. It is very spacious. Tons of cabinet space as well. You got mugs, mason jars, and really the kitchen is full service. You can go depending on how long you stay there, you can make all of your own meals there. They've got silverware, they've got plates and cups. So it was if you go to Publix or the local grocery store, you can really use this kitchen to the full extent if you don't want to pay Disney food prices. It was really, really a pleasant stay. And you really have everything you need in this cabin stay. We had 2 separate couples staying in here, us and Abe and Whitney, and we never really were running over each other. It was plenty spacious. You got kind of a storage closet, step ladder in there, and then you got 1 bathroom. So this is the 1 bathroom. It's probably a medium-sized bathroom, I would say. You got the toilet. You've got a nice size bathtub and shower. Nice shower. That is a nice shower head, not the typical hotel shower head at all. The new Disney soap's locked in so you can't steal it. And a frosted window in the bathroom. Couple of towel racks. in here, but the bathroom, it did its job. It's got plenty of space, even for two separate couples. There was enough room for us to use that bathroom. And then you go into the main bedroom where it ends up sleeping 4 people. You've got a bunk bed, and then you've got a queen bed, so you can comfortably sleep 2 there and 2 there. It was very spacious as far as being able to sleep. There was only 2 of us in here. Not a lot of walking room in here necessarily, but there's plenty of room to put all your bags, plenty of room to sleep. Like even if you do have 2 people sleeping in there, then I think you'd have plenty of room. Closet, extra pillows and blankets in here, ironing board, hangers, and then this nice little kind of vanity section over here to get ready in the morning. Window so you can get some lighting, so you don't have to turn the light on if everyone else is sleeping in the morning. But we use this as kind of storage, but the beds were very comfortable. And I think if you sleep 4 people in here, if you've got 2 adults and 2 kids, there's plenty of room. And it does kind of give that cabin woodsy feel out every window you look. TV kind of sitting on that counter there. It is bolted in there, so you can't remove it. But plenty of drawers as well in here. And then, like I said, from the outside, you can get out that door right there. There is the thermostat as well. But it is a very spacious cabin. It doesn't look like it, but it really is. And we never felt like we were cramped or running over each other. Everything had its rightful space. Plenty of storage as well. As you can see, the ice maker was working. We had to double check on that. But full service kitchen. We made Ronto wraps in here. There was plenty of room. We grilled outside. Sitting outside and hearing kind of the nature's voice was nice as well. Plenty of windows, so you can have natural lighting in there as well. And then the TV, of course, is always a nice touch in the cabin. But you really did get a lot of bang for your buck here. It's not the typical villa or suite at a Disney resort. But that is the cabin tour. Here is some other experiences from the rest of our stay at Fort Wilderness. All right. We've been continuing our stay here at Fort Wilderness. Bam. We're going to Crockett's Tavern. We've never been to Crockett's Tavern inside, right? You guys have gotten some stuff on the outside?
But never on the inside.
Never on the inside. So we're going to go see what the wait is here at Crockett's Tavern. Pioneer Hall. All right, so...
I want to pet that dog. Me too.
There's a dog over there. I don't want to video those people though. So we decided not to go into the lounge because there wasn't really a lounge.
No.
It was just like some tables inside.
It was kind of like halfway themed.
So we did go to Crockett's Tavern. I got the Bahama Mama.
Goose Island, 312. 312 as he calls it. 1312.
And then what did you get?
A classic margarita.
With sodium, as he could.
Yeah, with sodium.
Crockett's Tavern's got a lot of drinks actually.
Yeah.
You go walk up to the service window and then they got a couple of food items. But
Yeah, you can't order inside, which is kind of odd.
We got a beautiful view. It is a beautiful day.
Yeah, right?
Here on the marina that leads to the Magic Kingdom. This is Seven Seas Lagoon, right?
Yeah, because over there you can see the monorail through the little clearing between
don't
the
look
two.
into the sun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right, basically right where that sun is.
Seven Seas Lagoon, baby. All right, today's checkout day here at Fort Wilderness Cabin. I think, despite the fact that we didn't get a golf cart, because they didn't tell us that we needed to reserve one, and there wasn't enough, it's fine. Wonderful 2-night stay here at the Fort Wilderness Cabin. I would recommend this place. Talk about it more on the podcast, but thanks for hanging out with us this weekend, Abe. Cabin 2710, what do you think?
Success.
Yes?
Huge success.
Okay, what did you think?
It's good.
Power went out and everything. just as I hoped.
All right, it's time to check out here. I would definitely say this can comfortably sleep 6 people. Wonderful kitchen, nice comfortable beds, wonderful amenities. So it gets a thumbs up from us for the Fort Wilderness Cabins.